I hope you had a great summer because it's time to go back to school. Sourdough school. Let's talk about feeding ratios. A feeding ratio is a regimented way of feeding your sourdough starter that dictates how much water and flour that you give a certain amount of starter. In this example, for every 1 part of sourdough starter, you're giving it 2 parts of water and 2 parts of flour. Essentially what this means is for every 1 gram of starter in your jar, you're going to add 2 grams of water and 2 grams of flour. So let's say I had 6 grams of sourdough starter in my jar. To do a 1:2:2 ratio feeding, I'm going to give it 12 grams of water and 12 grams of flour. You can see that the 6 is the 1, and because 6 is this portion, the rest of it's going to be multiplied by 2. And the same logic works with other sourdough starter feeding ratios like 1:10 to 10. And a 1:10 to 10 feeding ratio is what I use to go from my tiny amount of sourdough starter to almost 10,000 grams, 10 kilos, in 24 hours.